the box loud, hitting that stuff till you hearing that sound.
You gonna use a diesel heater?
Huh?
You got diesel heater?
Yeah.
Está caliente con cojones, loco. A ti que le pides como yo. Oh, ¿vos caminas con una acá? No.
Boom. Uy, yo cuando vi eso yo ni nada.
So you like the icon better?
Me personally, yes, it's much easier to set up. All right, guys. Today we're camping, and I'm with Chico. You guys know him, Forerunner over here with his wife. All right, and I just met new friends over here. Met Dave here.
So what's up?
And we got Hannah over here too. So we're just waiting for one more guy. His name is Johan.
I wonder who.
Who's always late? Who's always late to our...
Johan.
Alright, so we're waiting for him, but we already start, we all set it up. So we're gonna start cooking. So, yep, it's gonna be that night.
Gonna eat good, boy.
So what's this?
Argentinian sausages and Colombian sausages.
We're gonna mix those up
with taco.
with this taco meat kit.
And then we're gonna have taco?
Yeah,
Taco
we're
mix
having
it with the beef. Oh, look, see, look.
Can't wait.
You know, say what?
This is the Colombian drink.
Aguardiente.
¿Cómo se llama?
Johan. What you know about that, Johan?
All right, guys, cheers.
Salud, guys.
Salud.
Pa' arriba, pa' arriba,
No,
Pa' arriba.
pa' arriba,
Pa' abajo.
abajo,
para el centro.
pa' centro y pa' adentro.
Okay, see?
Yeah.
I don't know, it's gonna be a long night.
What is similar?
There you go.
And I don't drink
Better than tequila, right?
Yes.
It's like Annie's vodka.
No, I can't do vodka.
Me neither.
We're getting hungry.
For you to enjoy
So-
the music.
You can't
This
forget the
I
yucateño,
did, but
Oh, yeah?
I got a ticket.
right?
I have a 2-day pass to time.
Guacamole, and just pico de gallo
You
sauce.
bought
that
it
we
already?
just picked up
Yeah.
at the
Yeah.
local
But I
market.
got it for my
Organic.
I bought it for myself for my birthday.
All right.
For your local people, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Freebie.
All right.
Wait,
Thank
what's
you,
your
Chico.
Instagram again?
David _ RA. How is it?
It's amazing.
Oh, really? That's good? Or no?
It's good.
River camping? David. Oh, wait, no, that's the chart. Damn it.
We have a friend that whenever we hang out, he's always late. And
Look, FaceTiming him. No excuse. You know he has that GPS on.
oh my god! All right, this guy is here.
You guys even with like nothing.
What's that, Chico? Chico?
You heard you from a mile away, bro.
Oh, really?
All right.
Finally, the legend.
This is like as tall as me almost.
A little bit.
Of course you just like went across there. I'm good, how are you? Glad you made it.
Thank you.
How are you? Oh, I'm freezing so
Is that cold?
Hi, we have everybody here. You guys made it.
Oh my God, so much traffic.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jay, and today is Sunday. So we got to this camp spot last night with a couple of my friends. We just wanted to enjoy this nice fall weather in New York upstate. And today I'd like to share my Overland setup that I'll be using it for my next cross-country trip, which is I'm actually leaving next Saturday, right? So I'll be actually going to Oregon and explore the Ojai Canyon area, which is I'm very excited. So yep, let's check it out. So what's inside of my GFC camper is the deck system. So I have two drills that I could use it, which is the first one. I have my kitchen gears, right? And the next one is I have all my recovery gears here, which is very easy to take in and out whenever I need it, right? And what else I did it is on the top of my deck, since I have a camper, so I don't have to really worry about what is going anything. So I was able to put some holes in there to hold some of my water tank, and also some of the stuff, which is, let me show it to you guys, okay? On the top of my deck system, I have diesel heater, which is I needed for the winter trip, right? That I'm using my front runner strap, and this thing is strong and very easy to lock in, right? And I have two water tank, which is I'll be using it for shower and kitchen stuff, right? And I have Joomla hot shower, so they are all connected. The hoses are already connected, so just with the one touch, I'll get the hot shower ready. Okay, and I have EcoFloor power station that will connect to my solar panel. I have 180 watts. Things that I need. This is very well organized. I have enough space to go up there. I could always change if I need to, and I could slip inside, right? So there's a two-way that I go up to the GFC camper on the top. I use a ladder, or I just come in and just walk upstairs. Okay, so usually I travel either solo or just one more person. So I took out my back seat. So I put the fridge over here, where it's very easy to just take out the food. And then I have my power station over here too, where it charge my fridge, and also it charge my camera gears too. Passenger side, this is where I put all my dry food, and also my chairs and the table, right? So as you can see here, save a lot of space. So this is a way that I save a lot of space for me. My front seat, I have all those camera gears here, and I have all this mountain here too. All right guys, so this is my setup. This is the setup that what I need for my trip. There's no right answers. There's nothing is perfect. And if you guys have any suggestion, please leave some comments. But thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.